Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn kinematics, motion in 1 and 2 dimensions together, step by step. Kinematics is the language we use to describe motion without worrying about its cause yet. Displacement tells us how far and in what direction an object moved. Velocity is displacement over time, and acceleration is how quickly velocity changes. Because direction matters, we treat these as vectors, drawn as arrows. Master these 3 ideas, and you can map any journey. In 2 dimensions, the trick is to split motion into separate horizontal and vertical pieces. A thrown ball moves sideways at a steady rate, while gravity tugs it downward, curving its path. The beautiful part is that these 2 directions act independently of each other. Solve each axis on its own, then combine them, and even a graceful arc becomes simple. Imagine a sprinter bursting from the blocks. She starts at 0 meters per second and reaches 8 meters per second in 4 seconds. Acceleration is the change in velocity divided by time, so 8 minus 0 divided by 4 gives 2 meters per second squared. That number means every single second her speed climbs by another 2 meters per second. Steady, measurable progress. Now picture rolling a ball off a tabletop. The moment it leaves the edge, its sideways speed stays exactly the same, because nothing pushes it horizontally. Meanwhile, gravity pulls it downward, so its vertical speed grows every instant. Combine a steady sideways motion with a quickening fall, and you get that familiar curved path called a parabola. 2 simple motions, 1 elegant arc. Let's pull it together. Motion is captured by 3 quantities: displacement, velocity, and acceleration. Each is a vector, carrying both a size and a direction. In 2 dimensions, break the problem into horizontal and vertical parts, solve them separately, then reunite them. With these tools, you can predict where anything goes, from a sprinter to a soaring ball. Keep practicing. Great work! Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.